Hi students, welcome back to video classes. In the previous video class, we learned the multiplication of integers, closure property, commutative property, associative property, multiplicative identity, and so on. Now, in this video class, we will learn the distributive property of multiplication over addition. As we know, distributive property of multiplication over addition. So, let us see one example. 18 into 10 plus 2. 18 into 10 plus 2, which is equal to 18 into 10 plus 18 into 2. So, this is the distributive property of multiplication over addition. This is the distributivity property of multiplication. Property of multiplication over addition. Now let us check, is it true for integers or not? So observe the examples. Let me take the example 1. So minus 2 into 4 plus 5. Minus 2 into 4 plus 5 means how much? So you know the addition, 4 plus 5, 9, plus 9 into minus 2. Product of negative and positive is negative, minus 18. And so we can write the same thing as minus 2 into 4 plus minus 2 into 5, which is equal to how much? 2 4s are minus 4, 2 into 4, minus 8, plus minus 2 into 5, minus 10. That means plus of minus 10, which is equal to, so addition of two negative integers gives negative minus 18. Minus 18. Take the another example. So minus 4 into, take another example, minus 4 into minus 3 plus 8. Here these two are positive integers. In the second example, we are taking one negative and one positive. We will see what happens. So as we know that minus 3 plus 8, 5. Minus 3 plus 8 is plus 5. Plus 5 into minus 4, which is equal to how much? Minus 20. So by using the property, we will see. Minus 4 into 3. Minus 4 into minus 3. Minus 4 into minus 3. Plus minus 4 into 8. I will say how much? 4 3s are. Product of two negative integers is positive. 4 3s 12. Plus of how much? 8 4s are 32. Product of a positive and negative gives negative. 8 4s are 32. Now addition of positive and negative. So we will get either positive or negative. It depends upon the higher value sign. So subtract them as whole numbers. 32 minus 12, 20. Here the higher value sign is minus. So which is equal to. So if you observe it, on every time we are getting the same. Now by observing these two, we can say that distributivity of multiplication over addition is true for integers. So did you understand? Over addition is true for integers. In general, therefore, in general, for any integers that is three integers a comma b and c, a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus this one plus a into c. So similarly here, suppose if there is a minus sign between b and c, so what happened we'll see. A into, this is same as the property of this one, a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. In the same way, a into b minus c is equal to a into b. Here plus is there, so we get plus. Here minus is there, put minus. A into, same as the previous one, c. So this is the multiplication of integers over subtraction. This is okay. Now next, how to multiply the integers easily, that is making multiplication easier. Making multiplication easier. So how to multiply it? Let us see. Consider, so we can take some integers, minus 25 into say 75 into 4. So we can find this one as, so we can find this product as minus 25 into, take these two numbers first, minus 25 into 75 into 4, which is equal to how much you see. So 25 into 75, product of negative and positive is, you know the multiplication. So multiply the ordinary general multiplication, 25 5s are, you know the multiplication, 75 into 25. 25 5s are 175. 5, 17 is there. Now 25 7s are 100. 25 5s are 125. Sorry, 25 5s are 125. 12 is there. Now 25 7s are 175. 175 plus 12. How much? 7, 8, 1. Now write 7. So that means 1875. The product of minus 25 and 75 is 1875 into 4, which is equal to, multiply. So 4 5s are 20. Now this is the rough one. 4 5s 22 is there. 4 7s 28 plus 2, 2 is there. 30. 3 is there. 4 8s 30 plus 2, 3, 35. 3 is there. 4 1s 4 plus 3, 8. Here we are multiplying negative and positive, gives negative. So that means the product of minus 25 into 75 into 4 is equal to minus 8500. Or we can write the same thing as minus 25 into 75 into 4 into 4. Now this is, sorry, so this is minus 7,500. This is minus 7,500. Now we can do the same multiplication as you see minus 25 into 75 into 4. So you multiply the first integer and the third integer. Why? Because on multiplying these two we will get 100. So it is very easy to multiply the integer by 10, 100, 1000, etc., etc. Therefore you take these two first. So that means minus 25 into 4. That means this is the easier method. Minus 25 into 4 into second one 75. So we know 25 fours are how much? 25 fours are 100. The product of negative and positive is negative minus 100 into 75, which is equal to minus 7,500. Here we got the same answer. When you change the order, here what we did, here we wrote these three integers in this order, minus 25 into 4, which gives 100, 100 into 75, this one. So this method involves here. So before that, tell me which is the easier way. So this one or this one? So this is the first method and this is the second method. Out of these two, which is the easier way? Obviously, second method is very easy method. Second method is very easy method. This method involves commutativity and associativity of integers. That means, you know, the group of associative means when group of integers are multiplied in any order. Here you multiplied in this way. In this case, you multiplied in this way. When group of integers are multiplied in any order, the product remains same. We will get the same product. Now, therefore, so commutativity, associativity and distributive of integers. So what we learned, distributive property of integers helps us to make calculations simpler. So it is very easy to calculate the multiplication. Now let us see how calculations can be made easier using these properties in exercise 1.3. Okay students, we will continue this exercise in the next video class.